If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass High Altitude in Velvet Red Pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, rear window wiper and washer, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7106.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.